This is now the Naga Viper sauce. Now you're gonna go up to a different level of heat. A little bit more honey sauce. Actually, what I should have done is actually put some Reaper powders on the steak. Next time I will do that. Put some steak with Reaper powders on. There you go. Now let's see. Naga Viper sauce with some steak. Immediately. Wow. This is nice. Only salt. Um, this one, heat 5, 6 out of 10. Taste also 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Really, I love it.